InnAIO AI is an online video creation tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate engaging videos from various content types. The platform offers over 500 professionally designed video templates, 100+ AI avatars with perfect lip syncing and gestures, and 300+ ultra-realistic AI voices in different languages and accents. You can generate AI avatar free for any scenarios in your life. Create professional videos without mics, cameras, or actors. Use AI avatars for high-quality content in 40+ languages. This tool effectively fulfills the purpose of creating quick and captivating videos. Therefore, in this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of utilizing this tool.
Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. After clicking on the link given in the description, this website will open in front of you. Here we will click on the Try InnAIO for free button. Now we will sign up through email or Google. Step 2. After signing in, this interface will be in front of you. Here you can see that there are lots of templates. To start creating a free AI video, click this Create Video button. Select your desired video size, like landscape or portrait, or you can import PPT file. Step 3. After clicking the Create Video button, such an interface will be in front of us. Here in the left panel under the Avatar tab, you will find two types of avatars. One is the Studio Avatar and the other is Photo Avatar. From here, you can upload your own photo in Photo Avatar. Apart from this, you can select any avatar from the many photos avatars available here. Next, in Studio Avatar, we can select one of the many free and pro avatars available here. I choose this avatar. Now to change this background, click the background button in the right panel, and here you can delete this background. Now we will select our avatar, then through these buttons above, we can change our avatar to full body short, half body shot or close-up. Next, if we want to add a template in the background, by clicking on the template button in the left panel, we can select any template from here. By clicking on Upload button, we can upload our PPT file, picture, audio and video. Now we will add a background to our video by clicking the Background button. Here we can add solid color to our background, and also we can add any of the different images from here to our background. Among the various images here, I choose one image for my background. I select this image for my background. Now we adjust the avatar by dragging it according to our background. After that, we click on Upload Voice button for voiceover. If we have an existing audio file, then we can upload it from here. And by clicking on Record button, we can do voiceover here. But since we want to do text-to-speech, we have to click on the Text-to-Speech button and paste our script here. By clicking on this Adjust Speed button above, we can slow down or fast the AI voiceover. We can add pause in our speech from here. We add subtitles to our video by clicking on the Subtitles button. By selecting our text, we can change the size of the text from here. Also we can change the text color, we can change the font, etc. Now, to select AI voiceover, by clicking here, we select any voice from the numerous free voices available here. As I have selected this voice and click on Confirm button. After that, we will click the Save and Generate Audio button to synchronize the audio with our avatar.
InnAIO AI is an online video creation tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate engaging videos.
Once we are satisfied with all our settings, we will click on the Export button above. In Title, we will give title to the video. If you are a free user, you will see a small watermark on the side of the video, and if you are a pro member, you can remove the watermark by clicking on the None button. Here, you can select the resolution of the video. After we are satisfied with all our settings, click on the Export button to start the processing.
InnAIO AI is an online video creation tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate engaging videos from various content types.
Finally, let me tell you that apart from their free plan, they also have Pro and Pro Plus plans, which of course have more features, and their video output is full HD and without watermark. You must try this AI video generator once. Its results are certainly impressive. I hope you've learned new things from this video. If so, I expect you to like the video and share it with your friends. This will give me motivation to make the next video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming AI videos.